Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start investing with personal capital, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start investing with personal capital, first, visit the Personal Capital website. Click on the Get Started button located on the home page. Create an account by entering your email address and setting a secure password. Confirm your email address through the link sent to your inbox. Log in to your new Personal Capital account. Next, begin linking your financial accounts for an overview of your personal finances. Choose Link Your Accounts and select the types of accounts you want to connect. Follow the prompts to securely input your account login information. Once your accounts are linked, navigate to the dashboard to see a comprehensive view of your financial situation. Explore the Investment Checkup tool within the dashboard. This tool analyzes your current investment portfolio and provides personalized recommendations. Review the asset allocation suggested by Personal Capital. Consider how well it aligns with your risk tolerance and investment goals. Utilize the Retirement Planner to project your future financial needs. Input your current savings and expected retirement age. Analyze the projections provided by the planner to gauge your retirement readiness. If you're ready to invest, click on the Investment Services section. Personal Capital offers advisory services if you prefer professional help. Review the fees associated with these services before proceeding. For those who want a hands-on approach, consider using the insights provided to manage your portfolio on your own. Decide on your investment strategy based on your financial goals and risk appetite. Stay informed by regularly checking back on the market trends within the platform. Make adjustments to your investments as necessary based on these insights. Remember to regularly review your financial progress through the dashboard. Personal Capital provides ongoing analysis to help you stay on track. Finally, keep learning about different investment options to enhance your strategy. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to starting your investment journey with Personal Capital. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.